Today I'm going to show you how to access economic calendars in TradingView. To access your economic calendar on TradingView on the desktop app on the right hand side, you will see this toolbar and you can quite simply look for what it looks like to be a calendar icon. Go ahead and click on this and this will be all of your calendars. You can see over here that we have a date range that we can change. You can also choose individual days, and then we have the economic calendar right over here next to the earnings calendar, next to revenue, dividends, and IPO. Of course, the economic calendar is what we're actually here for, and here you can actually open up any one of these events and you can see exactly what is going on. You can also go ahead and launch a chart, and then you can add this to your calendar and you can see that this is where the source information is from. You can go ahead and do this at any point over here, and you can also see exactly who and what country it was published by and when exactly they published that.